Physical significance of moment of inertia. In diagram, we consider a body of mass m which is rolling or rotating about its own axis and moves linearly with tangential velocity v. This is the axis of rotation. This is the axis of rotation about which the body rotates towards right, and the body has the mass m and it has tangential velocity v towards right. The body has also linear motion towards right, and the body rotates about this axis with angular velocity omega. M is the mass of the body which rotates and moves linearly towards right. When a body of mass m rotates about an axis, rotates about its own axis with an angular velocity omega, and moves linearly with a tangential velocity or linear velocity v, moves linearly with a linear velocity v towards right on a surface. Its kinetic energy of rotation is EKR equal 1 by 2 I omega square, where I is the moment of inertia. EKR equal 1 by 2 I omega square, where I is the moment of inertia of the body. EKR equal 1 by 2 I omega square. That is the kinetic energy of rotation if the body rotates about its own axis with an angular velocity omega. Also, the kinetic energy of translation of the body, is given by EKT equal 1 by 2 mv square. EKT equal 1 by 2 mv square, which is the kinetic energy of translation or kinetic energy due to linear motion of the body. And EKR is equation 1, which is kinetic energy of rotation due to rotational motion, and EKT is the kinetic energy of translation due to its linear motion. If we compare equations 1 and 2, it can be concluded that the tangential velocity v or linear velocity v is an analog of angular velocity omega in rotational motion. Linear velocity v. So here if we compare EKR with EKT, then tangential velocity v will be compared with the angular velocity omega. That means v will be compared with omega, and that means v is an analog of omega. Linear velocity v is an analog of angular velocity omega. Also, the mass of the body m, mass of the body m, in linear motion, mass of the body, that is m in linear motion, is an analog of moment of inertia I, moment of inertia I of the body in rotational motion, of the body in rotational motion. So in diagram, so the body has the kinetic energy of translation as 1 by 2 mv square. Rotational kinetic energy is EKR equal 1 by 2 I omega square. Here V is an analog of omega. Kinetic energy of translation is analog of EKR, and m is an analog of I. Means mass is an analog of moment of inertia in rotational motion. Hence, moment of inertia, that is I, of the body, moment of inertia, that is I, of the body, plays the same role. Moment of inertia I of the body plays the same role in rotational motion as the mass m plays in translational motion or linear motion. Now additional information is what? Additional information is moment of inertia EKR equal 1 by 2 I omega square. That is kinetic energy of rotation. EKR is directly proportional to I, means moment of inertia. Greater the moment of inertia of a body about an axis of rotation, comma, more difficult, greater the moment of inertia of a body about an axis of rotation, more difficult to change the state of rotation of the body. Another additional information, moment of inertia is neither a scalar quantity nor a vector quantity. It is treated as a tensor. Moment of inertia is treated as a tensor